Resistors are color-coded with markings or bands that allow you to quickly identify resistance values and tolerance. Using a color chart table will allow you to determine the value of any common 4-band resistor. Memorizing this color chart will enable you to become proficient at quickly decoding and using resistors. In a 4-band resistor, the first 2 bands represent the digits or significant figures. The 3rd band indicates the multiplier, and the 4th band indicates the tolerance. You read resistor bands beginning with the end that has the most bands. A space between the 3rd and 4th bands also indicates the reading direction. The first band is red, so the first digit value is 2. The second band is violet, so digit 2 is 7. The third band is yellow, so we multiply the first 2 numbers by 10 to the 4th, or 10,000. Thus, the value of this resistor is 270 kiloohms with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. In this example, the first band is orange, so the first digit is 3. The second band is white, so digit 2 is 9. The third band is silver, so we multiply the first 2 numbers by 10 to the negative 2nd power, or 0.01. In this instance, we would take the 39 and move the decimal point 2 places to the left, resulting in a value of 0.39 ohms. Thus, the value of this resistor is 0.39 ohms with a tolerance of plus or minus 10%. Now, let's determine what the bands would be on a 15 kiloohm resistor. Since the first digit is 1, the first band would need to be brown. The second digit is 5, so the band color would need to be green. The resistor value is 15,000 ohms, so we need to add 3 zeros to 15. 3 zeros is 1,000, so we need to have a multiplier of 10 to the 3rd. Thus, the third band would need to be orange. The last band would need to be silver to indicate that the resistor has a tolerance of plus or minus 10%.